Lesson 4: Common Myths and Misconceptions about AI. So far, we have covered the basic concept of artificial intelligence, AI, and presented practical example of its use in personal and professional context. Now, we will focus on the most common myths and misconceptions, especially among employees in large organizations. We will attempt to debunk those myths, understand their origins, and show how they influence our work environment. Myth 1: AI is going to replace all employees. This myth is especially widespread in large and traditional organizations where employees fear layoff and job loss due to the introduction of new technologies. The fear is rooted in history. During every technology revolution, such as the Industrial Revolution or the advent of computing, there was a wave of an anxiety that workers would become obsolete. In reality, what was typically seen is that AI does not replace employees, but rather, it changes the nature of work. Routine and repetitive tasks can be delegated to automated systems, allowing employees to focus on more meaningful creative and strategic responsibilities. For example, in the field of customer service, AI system can handle basic inquiries, enabling human representative to focus on complex cases and long-term customer relationships. Myth 2: AI knows everything and is always accurate. This myth stems from the perception of AI as all-power, often due to exaggerated in the media and popular culture. In large organizations, employees may rely on AI systems too heavily under the mistaken belief that computers are always right and never make errors. In practice, however, AI systems are far from perfect. They are data-driven, and when the data is biased, incomplete, or of low quality, the system may reach incorrect conclusions. For instance, an AI system used to screen resumes may reject highly qualified candidates if the training data is biased. Therefore, it is essential to understand the limitations of AI to maintain critical thinking and to know when human judgment must accompany decisions made by AI-based systems. Myth 3: AI is dangerous and could act against us. The fear that AI may harm humans is often influenced by films and books depicting scenarios where robots or computers turn against their creators. In organizations, this may lead to fear around implementing AI systems. What if we lose control of them? In reality, the AI systems used in organization do not have consequences or autonomy. They operate under predefined rules and within the scope of specific tasks. That said, there are real risks, especially in areas such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and ethics. The right way to address those concerns is through clear regulation, oversight, and ongoing responsibilities from both developers and organizational leaders. Myth 4: AI is expensive and only for large corporations. In the past, it was true, and only large companies could afford to implement AI, which led to the misconception that AI is a luxury, something reserved for massive enterprises with unlimited budgets. Today, the situation has changed significantly. Many tools are now available at reasonable cost, and some are even free, making AI accessible to small and medium-sized organizations as well. For example, government offices or hospitals with limited budgets can implement simple data analysis systems to improve their services. AI is no longer a product only for the rich. It is now a practical, accessible tool for all types of organizations. Myth 5: AI is just a passing trend. The claim that AI is a temporary trend is common among those who believe it's just another technological hype that will soon disappear. Many employees in older organizations may feel there is no need to invest in AI knowledge or skills, assuming it will fade in a few years. In practice, AI is already deeply embedded in organizational infrastructure and core business processes. Fields such as cybersecurity, inventory management, customer relations management, and healthcare already depend heavily on advanced AI technologies. AI is constantly evolving, and its use is only expected to grow. Therefore, gaining basic knowledge of AI is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity. Familiarity with those myths and misconceptions is crucial for helping us engage with AI technology in a thoughtfully and balanced way within a vast organizational context. Understanding both the capabilities and the limitation of AI allow us to turn the technology from something intimidating or confusing into a tool that supports us and enhances our professional abilities. As we move forward, we will explore how to harness the many opportunities AI offers in a safe, ethical, and effective manner.